Hi, to check whether your Samsung Galaxy A34 is original or not, we would need to go in the settings first. Here scroll till the end to check this About Phone tab. And now we can see the serial number and IMEI for slot 1 and slot 2. So you just need to take this box in which your device came and compare those IMEI numbers. If it matches, then your device is probably original. Also, you can just press and hold it and this IMEI number will be copied. And to be 100% sure that this device is original, we can go in the Phones tab and here just enter *#06 and hash again. And now you'll see IMEI numbers as well and the serial number. So simply as before, compare those numbers with one on the boxes right here indicated by the IMEI, and if it matches, then your device is original. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.